Hello everyone. Dear students, from today or from this session, we will discuss about a new software that is Open Software Writer, also known as OpenOffice.org Writer. This is part first. Actually, this is just like, MS Word that is developed by Microsoft. But what about it? We are going to know. So let's start. Introduction. First of all, we will know about OpenOffice.org writer. OpenOffice.org, also known as in short form OOO, commonly known as OpenOffice, is a discontinued open source office suite, just like MS Office means Microsoft Office suite was there. In the same way, this is open source Office suite. It was an open sourced version of the earlier Star Office. Earlier, it was known as Star Office, which Sun Microsystem, it is a system, company, just like Microsoft company. The same way, Sun Microsystem is a company who develops or which developed softwares in the field of software. It is a leading company acquired in 1999 for internal use. Open Office include included a word processor. What is there in Office, Open Office suite? How many applications are there and what applications are there? We are going to know. OpenOffice included a word processor that is known as Writer, a spreadsheet that is known as Calc, a presentation application that is known as Impress, a drawing application that is known as Draw, a formula editor that is known as Maths, and a database management application that is known as Base. Just like MS Word, there was MS Word, MS Office suite, there was MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS InfoPath, MS Access. In the same way, it has all the application, but some things are different. So this was the introduction. Next thing is there. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about the writer. We will know in the further slides or further, presentations, we will know or we will discuss about calc, about impress, about draw and all other. But in this chapter, which is I am teaching to you, this chapter is all about writer, means word processor. So first of all, the term word processor is there, so we have to know what is a word processor. Introduction to a word processor. A word processor is a package that processes textual matter and creates organized and flawless documents. Flawless means there is, if you have got mastery over word processor, then definitely there will be no mistake, because it is, word processor is not only the text editor, rather it does something else, it provides something else. There are so many features which are fantastically useful and advantageous. A word processor has everything that a conventional typewriter has. Now the term typewriter when comes in our mind, then the picture of the typewriter, uh, you know at the offices when used to there cut 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 cut, like such kind of sound used to there. So conventional typewriter, a word processor has everything that a conventional typewriter has. Yeah. In addition, it not only removes all the limitations of typewriters. There were so many limitations whenever we type anything on the typewriter, but it removes all the limitations of typewriters. It is so much pliable, it is so much flexible. If anybody is saying that I want to do this in MS word processor, is it possible? Definitely it is possible. It is so much flexible. Our task can be performed in three ways or four ways or five ways. There are so many ways you can perform the particular task in MS Word related to document, creating document, but also offers various useful features that cannot be even dreamed of with typewriters. There are so many other useful features that cannot be even dreamed of with the type or writers. Features of word processor. What are the features we have to know? First feature, it is fast. Typing text in a word processor becomes speedy as there is no mechanical carriage movement associated. Just we have to do speedily, you can type. So it is very fast. Second, editing features it has. It provides us editing feature. If you you might have seen the typewriter. If you have typed something, any word or any document you have typed, and if you want to make changes, then it is not possible. Again you have to type, but in word processor it is not so. You can type anything and you can edit anything. It has the feature of correction, insertion, deletion, modifications, manipulations, etc. can be made easily as required. Formatting features. The type text can be made to appear in any form or style. This is another fantastic feature of word processor. You know, you can show your text, type text in any form which you want and style, like you can show or you can display the text in bold form, italic form, underline, or different fonts are there. You can use stylish fonts are there. All this is possible due to the formatting features of word processors. Next, permanent storage it provides. With word processors, documents can be saved as long as desired. If you want to save for future use, then you can save it. And after 10 years, after 20 years, after 40 years, you can use it. Yes, the next one is spell check feature. It is very fantastic feature of MS Word or word processor. Whenever you are writing something, whether in Hindi or in English, then word processors are not only capable of checking spelling and grammatical mistakes, they check spelling mistakes as well as grammatical mistakes, but also not only checks, but also can suggest possible alternatives for incorrectly spelt words or grammatical mistakes which you have committed while typing. They will provide to you some alternatives also. Mail merge. This is also one of the most important feature of word processors. The mail merge facility enables you to print a large number of letters, documents with more or less similar text. Suppose you have going to arrange a party at your home, and you have to invite at least 100 people. You have to give card to 100 people. Now one thing, that the addresses of all 100 people will be different, but the matter of the invitation letter will be same. Up now, if you want to send, then you have to write, every time you have to write the invitation matter for invitation, and then you have to write down the addresses of your relatives to which you or to whom you want to invite. But mail merge feature, what does it makes a invitation letter, and it uh, prompts you to create a recipient list, and then it merges. Then what will happen? Then it will take one letter and then one address. It will it will take from the recipient list and will merge and then print. Take take merge, print. Take invitation letter and will take from one address from recipient list and then merge and print. In this way only you have to do two things. One, you have to create a main letter, main document, and that will contain the matter of invitation related to and the other recipient list. This is called mail merge feature. About each and everything we will know in further sessions. So thank you and have a nice day.